Hi, this is Dr. Jonathan Mainieri, chiropractor. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to restore the 30-degree curve in your neck. Super important that you restore this. For those people that have lost the curvature through bad posture, computers, car accidents, it's going to increase your risk for degenerative arthritis. Some of you may already have that. We're going to talk about how to restore the curvature. You want to get this back in your neck because if you don't, over time, it can this is what a normal disc should look like. It can slowly degenerate and lead to these spurs. So hopefully you can see those nasty spurs, and the spine will try to fuse. It's also going to pinch off these nerves. So the weight of your head is 8 to 10 pounds, about the weight of a bowling ball, right? So you do not want that on a reverse curvature. It's going to make all of your posture worse. So we want to restore the curvature back to 30-degree curve, so we have this nice bouncy effect distributing the weight amongst all the other discs so they don't degenerate. How do we do that? We use a cervical block in our office. I've been in practice for over 18 years. I've seen over 10,000 patients. We use this block with this specific design with hard condensed foam. It's got to be hard to force the curvature because we're stretching the ligaments. It exercises, all these stretches are not going to do it. You have to force the curvature by stretching the ligaments, okay? So 10 minutes a day on the cervical block. You want to ice afterwards. If you want to ramp it up, do it twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. Usually within a few weeks, people have less pain, less stiffness. The pain shooting down their arm starts to go away. To restore a full reverse curvature will take about 3 to 6 months, depending on the patient. And we would recommend get another x-ray just to make sure the curve's been restored. So you can purchase a cervical block. There's a link below in the description. If you have any questions about the cervical block, please click below. It also includes a anti-inflammatory food list, which is part of our free ebook that's included because a lot of you have inflammation going on in your body, and that's also causing more pain. So we want to lower inflammation, speed up healing through specific foods and other things in the free ebook, okay? So you'll get that ebook if you purchase the cervical block. It's free. I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully the cervical block will help you, and you take care.